Good morning, children. In the first unit, next subtopic. Okay, today's class, what you are going to learn means about laboratory thermometers. So, I studied already. Thermometer means the instrument used to measure the temperature. Clear? So, here why it is called as the laboratory thermometer means because this type of the thermometers are used in the labs. Okay. So, about that only you are going to learn in this getting detailedly. So what they given, just listen. Laboratory thermometers are used to measure the temperature in school and other laboratories. So for scientific research, okay, where this type of thermometers are using means in the labs of the school and also the research centers, okay, scientific research centers. Clear, children? Next, they are also used in the industry as they can measure temperature higher than what clinical thermometers can record, okay, including the school and the lab. Even this type of the thermometers used in the industries, okay. So for what purpose, in which type of the temperature to measure they are using means the temperature level is higher than that you are measuring in the clinical thermometer. Clear? Next thing, the stem and the bulb of a lab thermometer are larger when compared to that of the clinical thermometer. If you are seeing means stem part, and also this is the this is the stem part, this is the bulb part. So when you are compared to that of the clinical thermometer, this type of the thermometer has the larger in the size, and there is no kink in the lab thermometer. Kink means already I told, this is the part of the thermometer which is help to prevent the backflow of the mercury, okay. So but this type of the lab thermometer does not have this kink part. Next, a laboratory thermometer has only the Celsius scale. There is a Celsius scale reading. It ranges from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay. So what type of the scales present in the laboratory thermometer means Celsius scales. Clear? So what are the reading? Okay. What type of the reading ranges occurs means minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next thing, so what are the precautions to be followed while using the laboratory thermometer? Okay, while using the laboratory thermometer, what are the previous steps you should want to follow it? The first one, do not tilt the thermometer while measuring the temperature. Okay, so place it upright. Okay, while using that, you don't need of giving any kind of the disturbance and all. You want to make it in the fixed position, and also you want to place it in the straight. Okay, next thing, note the reading only when the bulb has been surrounded by the substance from all sides. Okay, you are immersed this type of the thermometer into one of the substance. Okay, so the bulb part surrounding fully it want to immerse means what, அது வந்து மூழ்கிறது. Okay, so after immersing only you want to measure the, that means you want to identify the temperature level of the given substance.